Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Anne, and on here I do share videos on study and life in Italy, and then I also do make faith-based content. So if this looks to be content you're interested in, do consider subscribing to this channel, and thank you for doing that. Okay, so before we proceed with the video, I want to make this clear. In my previous video where we spoke about the Q&A, where Sarah asked that she had done the comparability, and then she was asking whether CIMEA's comparability is an alternative to the legalization process. I want to make it clear. What is an alternative to the legalization process from CIMEA is that of CIMEA's verification. It has a separate cost compared to that of the comparability one. So please kindly take note of that. So let us get into the video. Today we're going to talk about the full details of the CIMEA process, okay?
If you run with me, I gotta work for the both of us.
What you do is you come here, then you type CIMEA, then you choose the first option, then you come here, you go to services, there's recognition of qualification, statements of comparability and verification. You go here, then it brings you here. So please read this. This notice is very important. Service announcement: the service will be closed from 29th of July 2023 to the 3rd of September. If you want to do the statement of comparability and verification, please, you have to do it before this period. Okay, so if you want to know whether your university is part of, your university wants you to do the comparability or not, because there are some people, they don't know yet. So you can come here. You can check. These are the list of CIMEA has activated an ad hoc service to issue a statement of comparability and statement of verification for the universities listed below. So you check here the number of universities. Perugia is part, Venezia, Palermo, Brescia, that of University of Trieste. You can see there's Padova, there's you can see Palma, Firenze. There are a whole list of universities, so you check from this one. Then obviously you go back. If your university is part, then you are safe to go. Then we come here. So click here to access the CIMEA diploma page. So you come here. So it brings you here. So I've already registered. That is why it directly brought me here. If not, it would have required of you to register before you register, and then you log in before it brings you here. So give me a moment. I'll show you the registration process. So you come here to create a new account. You just create the account, fill in the details, and then you enter. Please follow the instructions, the confirmation. Okay, you check your email, you confirm. So you activate your account obviously, and then you enter. Okay, so now that we are done with the registration process, what you do is you come here, you go to account, then you have to upgrade your account, okay, to a full account before you can access the services. So you come here, then you fill all of these details. Okay, you fill all of these details. Okay, so you come here. After you're done filling all the details, then you confirm this, and then you upgrade. Okay, then it brings you here. Your profile has been updated. Well done. Full registration has been successfully completed. Now you can fully explore our services, use your wallet, and enjoy blockchain. So you can see like your address, your wallet, everything. So from here, as you are done, you come here. This is the verification and that of the comparability. Guys, remember, after you're done with the registration, then if you want to do the comparability, you come here, then it's here. The cost is here. It costs 150 for ordinary procedure. Urgent procedure costs 250 euros. Then you can see the ordinary procedure takes 60 working days. Then the urgent procedure takes 13 working days. There are, extra services that you can request for as well. Then, they have the characteristics of the service. The statement of comparability is a document containing the information relating to qualification, such as recognition or accreditation of the institution that issued it in the country of origin and the level of the qualification according to the Bologna process and the European qualification framework. So you can read all the other stuff, but then, so when you get all of the details on it, then you click continue. First of all, let's cross-check something. Before you insert the document, you have to know the document that I requested. So you can come to this section, require documents. You select your country here. I'll choose Ghana. You come here, Ghana. Then you check the required documents. You need your diploma in original language, your certificate of school subject, that's your transcript, your YA certificate, and then a scratch card with PIN number. This is what we need for the secondary school leaving qualification. Then for higher education qualification, you need your diploma and then official transcript of records. So basically that is it if you are requesting for the comparability process. This one is for the verification. We'll check that one out later. So since you know diploma, certificate, WAEC, and then a scratch card, you come here, you go back to the comparability section, which we just did, and then you come here, continue. So here, select if you would like to request also statement of verification. But then we are here for the comparability, so let's go. Type of qualification, you come here. Education qualifications. Choose country. Then purpose of evaluation. Access for studies evaluation here. Then document to be certified. You add the document here. The degree of course you want to enroll in here. Laurea, you choose this one. But then if I'm putting higher education qualification, then I have to go for Laurea Magistral, which is, this is master's and this is undergraduate, degree. This is master's, this is degree. So I'll choose Laurea Magistral. Then document to be certified. Okay, so you add a new document here. I'll just choose anything at all. The document name, and maybe I'll choose degree. Then diploma. So degree, diploma. Then select issuing country. I choose Ghana. Okay. Then the diploma name. The name of the school or board or ministry that issued the final. So you see there are instances where one university teaches the course, but then the certificate is awarded by another university, So I will just choose like anything at all, then I'll upload it and then I'll save and confirm. So operation has been done. Okay, so this transcript. So we add the transcript, then the ID or passport, we include it here, the consent form, and then you add other optional documents. Okay, then you pay and then you confirm, and then you are just done with the process. So I hope you guys understood. From here, if you want to include the statement of verification, you can click here and then they will just do that. But then I'll show you the verification process as well in another video. You see the total price for verification and then that of the comparability is 215 euros. Initially for just that of the comparability it was 150 euros. So let me show you something. Let me show you the consent form. You have to download the consent form, sign it, and then include it here. You add not new document, then write the name here, consent form, then here, and then you upload the consent form. But then first of all, you have to download the consent form, fill it before you upload it here. So let me show you guys. From here, this is the consent form. It's part of the info section. Come here, consent form. This is the consent form. It's 2-page. It has 2 pages. So what you do is you come here, you sign, you accept this, and then you write your name, first name, first name, then you write your surname, then you write the date here. So today is, I think, 26th, 4, then 23. So let's write it well, 2023. Then you sign. Okay, you sign here, then you just download it with changes, then you save it. I hope you guys know how to sign here. That's a whole you can digital signature. Yeah, if you guys don't know, you can let me know. But then you sign digitally here, then as I showed you, you download it, then you come here, you come back here. So the consent form section, then you click here, add new document, then this is where you write the name, consent form, then you come here, you choose. So after you fill everything, include all the documents, then you confirm, and then you are done. That is all that has to do with the CIMEA statement of comparability. You'll be done, and then you just have to wait for the stated number of days, and then the document will be ready. So thank you guys. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in my next video.